Did you know that when God creates the new heavens and the new earth, that there will be no sea? Want to know why that is? Today we're going to dive into Genesis 1, 6 through 10. God said, "Let there be an expanse in the midst of the waters, and let it separate the waters from the waters." God made the expanse and separated the waters that were under the expanse from the waters that were above the expanse. And it was so. And God called the expanse heaven. There was an evening and there was a morning, the second day. Verses 5 and 6 talk about two bodies of water that God creates. And he actually separates these two bodies of water by an expanse. We learn in verse 8 that the expanse that he's talking about is heaven. Heaven has three different meanings in the Bible: heavenly realm, our spiritual realm, the atmosphere, and the atmosphere is just referring to the sky. And then we also have outer space. This heaven is referring to the atmosphere. One of those bodies of water is in the form of gas, which is going into our atmosphere. The other body of water is liquid, which are our seas. They are separated by the expanse of heaven, which is the atmosphere in which they are separated. In the new heavens and the new earth, when God comes back and creates his kingdom, there will no longer be the sea. Why put it on this earth if it's something that we're not going to have when we have our new heaven and our new earth? The word sea often refers to the Hebrew word tehom, which is the abyss. Sea in this earth is a frequent metaphor for the depths of the abyss. It's referring to death. In the new heaven and the new earth, there will be no death. It matters here. In verse 9, he talks about the waters being gathered into one place. If all of the water is in one place, the land is going to be in one place also. Have you ever looked at the continents? They look like little puzzle pieces that have been pulled apart. They used to be in one spot, and now they are separated. We'll get to that later in Genesis. Just know that the land was in one spot at one point in time. So no, we're not going to need the sea when we have the new heavens and the new earth, because we are no longer going to have death.